Why is it called competitive exams? After all, when we study in PUC, when we study at the 10th standard, when we study for our degree, we are competing with everybody else to get the highest marks in the class. In fact, when we go home, our parents would ask us, you could have got 3 marks more than that person. So that's also competition. And why are these called competitive exams? That's my first question to you.
Now a job like bank officer or IAS or life insurance, general insurance can be given to arts, commerce, science, doctors, engineers, anybody. Exams conducted for these streams by different universities or boards. So some universities give liberal marks, some students score liberal marks, some students go to coaching classes and by heart. So marks definitely not indicating inherent skills which a person possesses. So now both government and private companies understood that marks are not really telling the greatness of a person. Instead, bring them together on a common platform and conduct on the same day examinations which are not having subjects as such, but your skills which are required for becoming successful. That's why all these arts, commerce, science, doctor, engineers are brought to a common platform, and both government, state government, central government and private companies conduct a test called written test. Later they conduct a group discussion and interview. So here, if you are a science student, commerce student, does not matter. Like in foreign countries, many friends say in foreign countries jobs are delinked from the degrees. They have their own tests. So it is a good thing that here also in India we have competitive examinations, just a degree is enough. Today if you say IAS and all, mostly engineers pass the IAS exam. If you see the CAT, which was normally earlier field of commerce students, was in IITs, NIT students are actually becoming more successful. Even in banks, I am finding the engineers and science students are becoming more successful because of the new competitive examinations. I think hereafter, degree just passing is enough, whether it is first class, second class, third class, they may not mind, but you have to clear the tough competitive examinations which are conducted on a common platform, all India level.